Hey guys, let's finish this baby shark cake. I have a crumb coated cake here and I just add my blue buttercream and I'm smoothing it out with a smooth cake comb from Esther Cakes. I make a few shades of blue buttercream and I add them to my 50 Express piping bag, and I'm using a Wilton Tip 127, and it became kind of difficult to get there at the bottom, so I ended up putting it on top of an old styrofoam, and then I popped that in the fridge, let it firm up a bit. And then I'm adding all of my fun details from the other video. I add them with my edible glue. And one of my most asked questions is how I get my letters to stand up on the board. So these letters have been made with fondant, added with Tylos, and let to dry for about a day so that they harden. And then I just put my edible glue underneath and stand them upright, and they stay right in place. As long as you don't touch it, it'll stay there, and I've never had a problem with it. Right now I'm just adding 2 different sizes of Wilton pearls, and I'm using these cute tweezers from Sugary Essentials, and this is what the cake looks like.